Now calling the matter of the people versus Philip Williams. These are tickets P1354838. Count 1, drove while licensed, not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number P1354837, 1 count expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
For the record, Your Honor, Philip X. Walling, P35229. I am your House counsel this afternoon. State your name there, Mr. Williams.
Philip Williams.
Your Honor, at this time, Your Honor, I'd ask the court to recall any warrants. We waive any kind of formal reading. My client wishes to continue his not guilty plea at this time, and let's have this matter set for a pretrial via Zoom.
All right, Mr. Williams, I'm going to set this for a pretrial on the date of November the 9th. November the 9th, it's going to be at 8:30 a.m. All my pretrials are in the morning, 8:30 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 person. I'll see you November the 9th, 8:30 a.m. via Zoom, okay, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
You know what to get, Philip. Oh,
I can hang up now?
yep.
Yes, you can. All right. Bring your client out, sir. Four. No, 7, 4, 7, 7. Seven, 4, 7, 7. Attorney Mayman, I'm trying to call your matter. I'm trying to get your client out the breakout room right now. So that
Hello? You talking to me?
Yes, attorney.
Okay.
I'm trying to
Yeah,
get your client-
I'm talking to my client about setting this for a trial.
Oh, okay, just wait then. Okay, cool. Let me know when you're ready.
Okay. Yeah, we're ready on Young.
Ms. Young, can you turn on your camera for me, please?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Now calling the matter of People versus Annie Young. This is ticket P 1337317. This is one count reckless driving. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Stephen Mam on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, and ma'am, can you state your name for the record, please? Ms. Young,
Huh?
you state your name for the record, please?
Oh, Annie Young, Annie Earl Young.
This is the date and time set for an arraignment on the information. How are we proceeding, counsel?
Stand, waive a formal reading of the charges and stand mute.
This time the court's gonna enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. How are we moving forward with this?
I'd like to set this for a bench trial.
Ms. Young, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Ms. Young, you had opportunity to talk with your attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to move forward, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Counsel, my next bench trial date is on December the 9th. Is that an okay day for you at 9 a.m.?
At 1 a.m. or 9 a.m. you said?
9 a.m.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. December the 9th, 9 a.m. So instead of this afternoon time, it's going to be at 9 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal. Okay, and we'll see you back December the 9th via Zoom. It's still a Zoom trial via Zoom at
Thank you.
9 a.m. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, you're all set, Ms. Young, okay?
Okay.
You okay, Ms. Young? No,
I'm just ready for this to be over with.
I know. We gotta wait till December though, okay? Okay, just take a deep breath, okay? I know it's a lot. We're not used to this. Don't nobody think you a criminal, okay? 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 I
I
know.
just,
I know. Don't tell me about the case, but you got a lot going on right now.
yeah, I'm pregnant with my first baby and I just want this to be over with.
I know. But he probably discussed the offer with you and he's trying to give you the best advice that he possibly could, okay?
Okay.
So just take his advice. It's okay. I know. It's all right, Miss Young.
It could mess up my nursing career, so I just want this over with.
Miss Young, take a deep breath. Gonna get it worked out. Take a deep breath. Okay? It's a driving offense, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So just wait patiently for the court date. We'll make sure we let the officer know and see what we can do. It hasn't affected your job right now, right? You okay? You still working?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just keep working, okay? All right?
Okay.
Deep breath. It's okay. It's all right. It's just a lot going on right now. Okay. All right, Miss Young.
I just zoom out now.
Yep, you can just zoom out now, okay? All right. It's not the end of the world, though. I promise. I promise, okay? We'll see you on December the 9th, okay? 9 a.m.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right, Miss.
Yeah, I did. Jerome. Your Honor,
Yes,
you were gonna give me a date in the, or not a date, an address in the chat to send information to you or to somebody?
Yep.
I have 2 for that, and I have 3 people waiting for a new date. So if you'd like to do them, I'm sure they'd be happy.
who are the people who are waiting for a new day?
That would be, I should say 2. Angelo Young
Okay,
and Chiara Wade.
okay.
And then, okay.
I sent it to you in the chat. It's
Oh,
Attorney Gillis. It's a really
okay.
short one.
Oh, okay. And just, well, all right. I'll send, okay. Thank you. Ah.
Okay, Mr. Young, hold tight.
just turned 4 years old and has been using the program since January of this year can now read. Thank you so much, Hooked on Phonics. Child has been struggling. Hooked on Phonics will teach your child to read in just 30 days. In just 30 days, guaranteed.
iPhone, why do you keep unmuting yourself?
You say who?
iPhone, what's your name?
Shaida Wade.
Wait, stop unmuting yourself. It's okay if you're in the courtroom because he already talked to you, right? Wait, did he already talk to you?
Yeah,
Okay. So
yeah, he
you
already
said-
talked to me.
You say he has or he hasn't?
He have.
Okay, so you can be in the courtroom, but I keep muting you because you have background noise. So you're watching TV or something. I keep muting you, you keep unmuting yourself. That means you're going live on YouTube, so everybody gets to hear what's going on in your background. Stop unmuting yourself.
Okay.
Okay, thank
Okay, my
you.
bad.
It's okay, I'm just letting you know, because then everybody sees your name and sees what you're doing. So just be mindful, keep yourself on mute. I'll unmute you when it's time, okay?
Okay.
Have you heard from, Judge, have you heard from Mr. Gillis?
I'm having him look right now.
Oh, is he there?
Yep.
John,
Yes.
I also has of a Jerome Washington. He's got documents, but he doesn't have email capabilities. And did you get what I sent you on White?
I did. I just received that. So it looks like Mr. White has a valid driver's license.
Okay, very good. And the
I
rest,
don't have,
John, I'm really just asking for get him back on track and set him for a pretrial.
okay.
To the judge, the
Other
individual that
than-
doesn't,
okay.
can't present his documents, you think? make sure you have them.
Oh, he was
No,
able
I'm
to.
talking about like Jerome Washington. I saw him was like, he was good.
Oh, okay.
I do have, John, I did go with Mr. Washington. I asked him the expiration date on his license, his registration, and his insurance, so.
Okay.
Angelo Young,
Yes, I'm here.
now calling the matter of the people versus Angelo Young. This is ticket P 1336778. Count one, smoking marijuana within passenger area of a vehicle upon public highway. Count two, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Count three, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, my name is Philip X. Walling, P 35229. I am your House counsel this afternoon representing Mr. Young. State your name, sir.
Angelo Bashan Young.
Your Honor, at this time, my client wishes to continue his not guilty plea. I'd ask the court to recall any warrants, waive any kind of formal reading, and set these matters for a bench trial via Zoom, please.
All right, Mr. Young, is that how you wish to proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I don't know why the volume on your phone is so low, but it's low. Are you covering the speaker in any way?
No, ma'am. Do you hear me now, Your Honor?
It's worse.
You know, it's okay. I can hear you a little bit. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am. That's why I do.
I can barely hear, but I can hear it. So you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights, sir?
Yes,
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to move?
Excuse me, Judge, we're just asking for a pretrial at this time.
Oh, you said bench trial. That's why. You want a pre-trial or bench trial?
Pretrial, Your Honor. No, if I did, I apologize, but none of these matters I'm doing anything but asking for pretrials.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna set this for a pre-trial on the date of November the 9th, sir. November the 9th. It's gonna be in the morning instead, and not 8:30 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
yes, ma'am. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, no problem. I'll see you November the 9th, okay?
Yes,
All right.
What
Have a
time
good
again, Your
day.
Honor?
November 9th at 8:30 p.m. a.m. November 9th.
Your Honor, you said something
Yeah.
earlier about if addresses had changed, my address has changed.
Okay. Could you call the court? I'm gonna give you a number.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, I'm ready, Your Honor.
313-965-2293.
Yes, yes, got it. Is there a name, Your
All
Honor?
right. Yep. Call and let them know you changed the address, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Your Honor.
All right, have a good day.
Thank you, Attorney Walling.
No problem.
Chiata Way.
Take your name off mute, Miss Wade.
Yes.
Start your video for me.
Oh, shoot. Can you redo it?
You have bad reception, Ms. Wade.
It wasn't that bad earlier, Judge.
She may have moved, that's why. Now calling the matter of People versus Chataway. This is ticket P 1351966. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, expired plates. Count 3, defective brake lights. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Philip X. Walling representing Ms. Wade, Your Honor. State your name, please, Ms. Wade.
Shaida Wade.
Your Honor, at this time, we would waive any kind of. Yes, we hear you. At this time, we'd waive any kind of formal reading, Your Honor. My client pleads not guilty. We're asking the court to set this matter for a pre-trial via Zoom.
All right. I want to do that. Ms. Wade, it looks like you're already in a payment plan, and that part of the agreement is that if you pay it, they'll dismiss this case. How long do you need to pay those other cases off?
About a month. It's a few
Okay.
feet.
My pretrial date is November the 9th. Is that enough time?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna set it for November the 9th at 8:30 a.m. And I'll see you then, 8:30 a.m., November the 9th. Bond is set at $0 personal on these matters.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.
And thank you, Judge. I did not have that piece of information.
I know, that's why I say little
Oh,
things.
bye-bye.
All right, Blake Williams,
Yes.
turn on your camera for me, please.
I can leave
Now,
now.
do you still have a head start for one, sir? I said you had to take off your head stuff for court.
Yeah, I took off my hat, man.
The scarf too.
Okay.
All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Blake Williams. This is ticket number P 1247753. Count 1, disregard officer signal. Count 2, drove while license suspended. Ticket number P 1351018. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Ticket number P 1148852. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drove while license suspended. Also calling matter scheduled for December the 9th, 2022. Case number SP 1320639. Count 1, stop street or intersection, failed to stop. Count 2, drove while license suspended. Count 3, expired plate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, excuse me, my name is Philip X. Walling, representing Blake Williams. State your name, please, Mr. Williams.
Blake Williams.
Well, as the court, well, let me just, I don't, oh, there are documents here from, I did not have plea forms at the time. Is there one for Mr. Williams?
It was one for 12 months delayed sentence on the disregard officer signal. Then it's a plea of responsible on drive unregistered untitled vehicle. And finally, no, that's a plea, a misdemeanor plea. And then the plea of responsible is on expired plate.
Judge, since those tickets are not on today's docket. At least some of them. I'm very uncomfortable at this time. What I think, when I talked to Mr. Washington, he just wanted to set this matter for a pretrial when we work this out. I still think that's the prudent thing. If we could have a pretrial with all these cases scheduled on the same date and time.
All right, sir, I'm gonna make your next court date December the 9th. That's the day that you were supposed to come back for those other tickets. So we'll do it that day in the morning. Does that work for you?
Is it possible something could be set sooner?
I can do
Because
it November the 9th.
that's fine.
Okay, you want everything on November the 9th instead?
Yes, because I've been meaning to take care of this situation for quite some time.
Absolutely. So I'm trying to help you out, but I can't make it. Now that you want to take care of it, doesn't mean we got to give you all the next day today, but I can't move it up to November the 9th, okay?
Well, thank you.
You're welcome. Did you get any other tickets since that last date? The last date we have is February 26th. Have you gotten tickets after February 26th, sir?
Since February 26th. That was what was that one for?
Expired plates, driving while license suspended, and stop street intersection failed to stop.
That was a stop. No, Your Honor.
Okay, all right. I'll see you November the 9th. It's gonna be in the morning instead at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom, the same way you zoomed in. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal on all these matters, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna enter a plea of not guilty on your behalf, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a good day, sir.
You too.
All right. Amari White.
Your Honor, I did see his driver's license. Amari.
Great. All right, fantastic. Now calling the matters of the people versus Amari White. This is ticket X 4051097. This is one count, no operator's license, multiple operators license on person. Ticket number SX 411-51841, no operator's license on person. SX 411-51842, drove without cycle endorsement, no moped license. And ticket number SX 411-51843, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Philip Walling representing Imari with White. State your name, please, Mr. White. Wow. Your Honor, there's only one ticket on the docket. Mr. White has furnished a driver's license. Mr. Gillis indicated to me he was going to dismiss the ticket on the docket. Would that be all of these matters, Mr. Gillis?
He hasn't seen the proof. Mr. White, do you have proof of insurance?
Yes, my car. I had just bought a motorcycle though.
Okay, can I see your proof of insurance, please? Can you run and get it for me?
I got it on my phone.
Okay. Are you gonna be able to show it on the top, on the laptop?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Are you pulling it up right now?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Or you want me to send it to that email? that I send my driver's license to?
Could you please, for me, Mr. White, and I'll recall this matter to you.
Okay.
All right.
That's Mr. Gillis's address.
I'm gonna put you on mute while you do that, okay, Mr. White? I'm gonna recall this matter.
Okay, no problem.
Jerome Washington,
Yes, ma'am.
all right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jerome Washington. This is ticket number B1352905. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Philip X. Walling, representing Jerome Washington. State your name, please, sir.
I'm Jerome Washington.
Your Honor, he's been unable to email his documents, but I believe he has them in his hand and is ready to show them to the court.
All right. Mr. Washington, can I see your documents, please?
Yes, ma'am. This is the registration to the truck. Can you see that?
So you have the blur thing on your background. Are you able to take that off?
Yeah, wait a minute. Excuse me. What's it up? Is that better?
No, so the background on it is blurred. That's the name of it. It's blur the background out.
How do you?
So they have to take it out.
How do you do that? They asked Stephanie, how does she do that?
That's me.
That's me. Wait a minute, I'll get my grandbaby to do it right
That's
quick.
it. You gotta show us how to unblur this phone right quick, because the judge is on the phone.
How do you unblur,
How do you unblur
it? How do you unblur
How
it?
do you unblur it first so she can see us? Come on, cause.
So go to settings. Settings. Tell her to go into the settings on the.
That's it. Come go to.
You say you
come
could go
show
to the
us.
setting?
Cause we on somebody else's phone.
Yeah.
Go to the settings.
How
She
do you do
said.
that?
Go to the settings, she said.
Okay,
All right.
okay, we in the settings. Hello, Judge?
I know, hold on a second. I'm gonna join on so I can tell you how to do it.
Okay. Dude over there knocked out.
Now, you know you have to do it on your. We don't have no steps. We can't get no steps.
Mine's
What, like step 2?
mine's about to die. I'm literally at 1%.
Don't worry.
I could go upstairs though on my laptop.
Don't worry about it. Okay. All right. I'm gonna have to walk you through. I'm gonna recall your matter, Mr. Washington. I'm gonna have to walk you through.
Okay, now.
Mr. Rondell Willis,
Yes.
all right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Rondell Willis. This is P1355282. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, 31 plus miles over posted speed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Philip X. Walling, representing Mr. Willis. State your name, please, sir.
Ronell Willis.
Your
Mr.
Honor,
Washington, you can't eat. You in live court right now, and I can see everything that you're doing. This is the courtroom for all purposes. You cannot eat food, okay? Sorry about that, Mr. Willis. Go ahead.
at this time, Your Honor, we would waive any kind of formal reading of the charging documents. My client wishes to continue his not guilty plea. We're asking the court to set this matter for a pre-trial, please.
All right, sir, at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. I'm gonna have you return Mr. Wills on the date of November the 9th, 2022. That's gonna be at 8:30 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay,
All right, I'll see you then, okay?
okay.
Ms. Wilson? Mr. Wilson?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, now calling the matter of the people versus Heather Wilson. This is ticket P1354737. Count one, no insurance misdemeanor. May I have your appearance for the record, starting with counsel, please?
Philip X. Walling, representing Ms. Wilson. State your name, please, ma'am.
Heather Manson Wilson.
Your Honor, at this time, my client, we'd waive any kind of formal reading. My client wishes to continue her not guilty plea. We're asking the court to set this matter for a pre-trial via Zoom. I am asking for a little difference in the date, Your Honor. Ms. Wilson would prefer a Tuesday.
Ms. Mason Williams, did you have some civil infraction tickets that went with this as well?
No, this was the only ticket that I got.
Okay.
I only asked for Tuesday because I'm off on Sunday and Tuesdays.
No, I understand why. I was just asking questions to figure out if you had paid some civil infractions. It's okay, Ms. Wilson. You don't have to explain. I'm gonna adjourn it to November the 29th. It's a Tuesday, November the 29th at 8:30 a.m., okay?
Okay.
All right, so that should work for you. That's a Tuesday, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Nope, of course, November the 29th. I'll see you 8:30 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank
All
you.
right. You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mhm.
All right. Mr. White?
Yes.
All right, now, you got the same thing going on. You have the blurred background. You're gonna have to unblur your background so I can see. Did you send that information to Mr. Gillis?
Yes, I did.
Okay, let me see if we got it.
In order to take the blur off the black background, you just click your screen and then click no effect for
Oh,
Mr. Washington.
thank you, Mr. White. Mr. Washington.
No problem.
It says click the screen and then hit no effect. Thank you so much, Mr. White.
No problem.
Your Honor, I did not receive Mr. White's additional documents.
We didn't get it yet, Mr. White.
I said I got it on the screen still, so I could show you.
Can you show me, please? It'll make it a little easier.
I don't know if you can really see it.
Just talk for 1 second and I'm gonna change my view. Say your
Okay.
name.
Amari White.
All right, expiration on 11/4/2022. All right. Gotcha. And that's on that gotcha. All right. I'm gonna recall the matters of the people versus Amari White. These matters were called on the record already. We had to take a brief moment of recess so that Mr. White could be able to get some additional documents. These were tickets X4051097, X4115184, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearances once again for the record, starting with the attorney Wiley.
Philip X. Walling, representing Amari White. State your name again, Mr. White.
Amari White.
At this time, the court has been informed from City Attorney Counsel that he has presented a valid operator's license. The court has seen with via the phone that there is an expiration date of November 4th, 2022 for insurance. So at this time, the court is going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Mr. White, make sure you keep everything valid and up to date. You have to have insurance on all of your vehicles at all times that you operate on the roads, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further.
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Mr. Washington, I see you got it.
By Jove.
Unmute yourself, sir. Cindy asked you to unmute.
How about now?
I can hear you now. All right, can you put them up to the screen before I call the case? Can I see your registration? Say your name.
Jerome Washington.
All right, I got that. June 15, 2023. What about your insurance?
All state.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right, now see that date? Okay, all right. November 6, 2022. Recalling the matter of the people versus Jerome Washington. This is ticket P1352905. We caught this matter earlier. We had to take a break so that Mr. Washington could be able to show documentation. Appearances once again for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Philip Walling representing Jerome White.
Washington.
Mr. Washington, state your name again.
Jerome Washington.
This time,
Go
the
ahead.
court's
Judge.
going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. Having seen documentation that is appropriate at this time, the court is going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Mr. Washington, you have to make sure to always keep your stuff up to date, valid, and in your vehicle at all times, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank your granddaughter, whoever helped you do that, okay?
Yeah. Hey,
Now, come and get some assistance when you need it, because you're not familiar, okay?
hey, I done got old. That's all it is. They know that. They know how to do this stuff better than we do. So that's
I
it.
know. You just gotta ask the questions and they'll help you out. Thank you so much.
Good thing she was here. But anyway, thank you, and you have a